Okay, let's just go take a look down the driveway yet and see what we got. Ooh, well, maybe we got more like 8 inches right now, so a little bit more than I thought. And the old apple orchard there. A big pile of snow is snow on top of that, thing we keep the paint and the gas in. You see the snowbanks there on the other side of the driveway. They're getting kind of high. And as you can see, the driveway is going to need some snow blowing here, but it's going to wait till the snow stops. It's supposed to, overnight it's supposed to taper off, so probably get up in the morning and do some more snow blowing. So, yeah. So, snow in the UP.